RRBJE 2024 notification is out. Hurry up. So here is a good news for the candidates waiting for the RRBJE recruitment 2024, as the Railway Recruitment Board has released RRBJE notification for 7,951 vacancies for junior engineering, depot material superintendent, chemical and metallurgical assistants and other posts. RRBJE recruitment 2024 is conducting especially for candidates who an engineering degree or diploma qualification from any recognized university. Here, RRBJE application online has been started on 30th July 2024, and candidates willing to apply for the vacancies has to submit their application through online. So this is the clear details about the RRBJE notification. Please check it out. And RRBJE recruitment 2024 exam summary. Based on the post of depot material superintendent, chemical and metallurgical assistant, chemical supervisor and metallurgical supervisor. The candidate will be selected through written test, that is nothing but CBT1 and CBT2, and document verification and medical examination. So have a look of overview of this RRB exam. So the name of the organization is nothing but Railway Recruitment Board, that is nothing but RRB. Post based on this junior engineering, depot material superintendent and chemical and metallurgical assistants, chemical supervisor, research and metallurgical supervisor. So total vacancies are 7,951, and it is a government job. And online register starts from 30th July to 29th August, and this is the ending date. 29th August is the ending date. So job location is nothing but around India. So selection process of this examination is nothing but we are having four process. First stage of CBT. After qualifying this, we are having second stage of CBT exam. So next document after completing the uh, clarifying of these two stages, next document verification and medical examination. Next, the salary of this JE is nothing but level 6 CPC pay matrix with initial payment of rupees 35,400 plus and other allowance as admissible. So RRBJ important dates. So this is an official notification, and the online register process is scheduled from nothing but 30th July to and the last ending date 29th August 2024. The candidate willing for who are eligible for this railway recruitment 2024 for the post of the above given of one. So here is the nothing but release date is nothing but 27th July 2024, and online starts on application starts on 30th July 2024, and last date to apply for RRBJE 29th August 2024. Last date of fee application of fee is nothing but 29th August 2024. Date of the window for correction in if you have any correction, so you can recheck it out on the day of 30th August to 8th September. You have to if you have any changes, so you can make the changes on 30th to 8th September 2024. So exam date will be released as per the after completing of our application. Yeah, RRBJE vacancy. So totally, how many vacancies we having? And 7,951. So junior engineering and depot material superintendent and chemical and metallurgical assistants are having 7,934, and chemical supervisor, research and metallurgical supervisor, research only for Gorakhpur. They are having totally 7 vacancies. And RRB vacancy 2024 as reason wise. These are the reason wise of your category reason wise. So you can take it out. Regional wise. So RRBJE document 24 online form. So through this link, you can be click here and fill out the form application form. So this is an official link. RRBJE document 2024 application fee. So the mode of application fee in application fee is nothing but online mode before the last date to submit the application form. So application fee according to category wise unreserved rupees 500, and SC ST minorities EWS 250 rupees, and ex service or PWDs females trans are having same 250 rupees, and eligibility criteria as on 1st January 2025 depending upon the various posts released according to our notification. And education qualification for junior engineering, diploma or degree in engineering or relevant stream for a recognized university, and a depot material superintendent, diploma or a degree in engineering from any discipline. This is nothing but this is based upon the bachelor degree. Nothing but this qualification is based upon the engineering qualification. BTech. Junior engineering, you can see above the qualifications. So these are the above qualification of the given posts. So age limitations according to our post, and age limitations according to their, and chemical supervisors or research and metallurgical supervisor research 18 to 33 years, Age applicable for son as per the date 1/1/2025, 18 to 36 according to this. So you're having some age limits. So RRB JE 2020 selection process, you're having, as we all know that, you're having totally 4 selection process, 2 stages of exams after qualifying the document verification and the medical examination. And exam pattern. So exam pattern of the CBT1 and CBT2. And CBT1 you're having 90 minutes and you're having minus marks. That is nothing but 1/3 marks. And the CBT2 you're having 120 minutes. And at CBT1 you're having 90 minutes and CBT2 you're having 120 minutes. CBT1 you're having totally 100 questions. CBT2 you're having 150 questions based upon multiple choice questions. Nothing but this is a computer based test. An exam pattern of CBT1 as well as the CBT2, mathematics, general studies, general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, general science. And our CBT2 exam pattern is nothing but general awareness, physics and chemistry, basic of computers and application, basics of environment and pollution control, and technical abilities. So these are the exam pattern of CBT1 and the CBT2. And CBT1 exam syllabus. So these are the exam syllabus of mathematics of CBT1. Mathematics according to our 10th CBSE syllabus. And this is also for CBT1, general intelligence and reasoning. So these are the 15 topics. And syllabus for general awareness, we are having totally 6 topics. General knowledge of current affairs, Indian geography, culture and history of Indian, including the freedom struggle. So these are the few topics which includes in general awareness. So in mathematics, nothing but general science. So chemistry and life process up to life sciences up to 10th standard CBSE syllabus. So this is a syllabus for CBT2. General awareness, we are having sub topics, 6 topics, and physics and chemistry based upon 10th, 12th. And JE syllabus based upon computer applications, we are having totally 9 topics. So you can see about here, totally 9 topics we are having. And basic of environment and pollution control, you are having totally 8 topics. And this is also detailed based syllabus for the technical selection is mentioned above or mentioned below. Thank you.